Imagine a situation in which a person is suffering from severe health condition like cardiac arrest. Every second counts and even a slightest delay can result in the worst situation possible. And what if an ambulance gets stuck in traffic? This can result in even worse scenario. Our model solves this problem. It is a traffic clearing system for ambulances which wipes off the traffic on the crossways before the ambulance reaches there. It ensures the timely medical care for everyone.
We, the members of HLC Creators Club, under the theme of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Myself Shriyant Dikshit.
Myself Vyom Shukla.
Myself Swarna Samadriya, myself Razeen Fatma, and myself Tanvi Gupta. Present before you all Rescue Way. Rescue Way, your lifeline on the roadway.
Now let's talk about the problem that our model tries to solve. So, in many cities, ambulances face severe delays due to heavy traffic congestions. So, which results in the delay of the patient's treatment, which can also lead sometimes to the loss of them. So, there is a lack of a system which would clear the traffic for the ambulance. So, we have created a model that would allow us to solve this problem.
Now we will discuss why we need to solve this problem. The reason behind this problem directly affects the people's life and healthcare system. Delaying medical resources can increase the risk to the patient's life and can increase the mortality rate. When emergency services are slow, people trust in them decreases. Hospitals are also overburdened due to the critical cases because of delayed treatment. Moreover, human stress can occur under great stress, further worsening the situation. By addressing these all issues, we can save lives and improve the medical services. Now let's move towards who is facing this problem. According to the report of Times of India, in 2022, the average time taken by an ambulance to range is ranged between 28 to 56 minutes, improving to 15 minutes, but still this is too long for a patient to reach to the hospital. This can result in life loss and many more delays.
Okay, let us now see what is Rescue Way. Rescue Way is advanced traffic management and emergency response system designed to facilitate the rapid movement of ambulance. So basically, it will work with the Arduino chip connected to the sensors, and whenever there is emergency situations, it will link up with the sensors, and the Arduino chip will take signal and light up the streets within the sensors that will navigate the ambulance driver with wherever the emergency situation is. Okay. The system utilizes strategically placed sensors connected to blue lights along footpaths and roadways. When an emergency situation is detected, rescue immediately notifies the traffic police and the radius of 15 kilometers so they can wipe out the traffic. The main objective of rescue way is to wipe off the traffic of the streets. So, the system assists ambulance drivers in locating the nearest appropriate medical facility and activates the blue light along the optimum path. So, it can work as a GPS and a navigation for the ambulance drivers too, as they don't have to look at the GPS again and again. They can just follow the blue lights along the road and go to the emergency spot or the hospitals. By integrating real-time traffic management with emergency healthcare support, we can integrate a GPS system in an ambulance to get the live location of the ambulance and to work it more betterly. Rescue significantly reduces response times and increase the likelihood of saving lives during critical medical emergency. Okay, every minute counts for the emergency situation, and if we can use this kind of facilities and technology in today's world, it can reduce many deaths and improve the emergency situation and the response time.
Now, why is there a need for such a technology? There is an urgent requirement for a solution to such a problem when each second can decide between life and death. It incorporates safe transport along with improving the healthcare sector. It also helps the patients in need to achieve timely medical care so that a life can be saved. The main objective of this model is to ensure that traffic is not the cause of the loss of someone's valuable life.
Okay, let us see the demonstration. We can clearly see the ambulance is going from left to right. we can see the blue lights are ignited and the other lights are white. That means an ambulance has to go from this to this route. So they can clearly go follow this path and reach to the hospital or the emergency spot. So this is what our model was. Thank you so much everyone.